I just want you to spend 2 minutes with me, 2 minutes, no more. What I am saying is that if this did not happen and you did not see the inside of the site yourself and I did not succeed, I will do what you want. I mean, I am simply coming today to tell you that today I will bring you proof 2, 3, and 4 if you work on the site. Today you will win. Today's website is easy and suitable for everyone, but I need you to focus with me. But if you stick to what I am saying, do not forget to like the video and complete the video with me. Because today, God willing, I will bring you a very, very good website and a really good job. You will earn from it. Welcome, my friend. Guys, this is the site that we are talking about today. When you click on the link, the page opens with you in this way. You will click on Get Started. Very excellent. Guys, you open this page with you and make sure while you write the data that it is real data. You cannot write any data here. You write your... Please provide your full name and a valid working email address. You will receive an email to activate your account. Also, ensure that your password is strong. Capital letters, small letters, symbols, and numbers. Here you retype the password a second time. Here you choose your username, and here you choose your password. After that, you choose I am worker, not employer. If you have jobs and want to post them, but we will choose working days. After that, you agree to the policies and click on sign up. Then you are like that. You created an account on the site. You will receive a notification or email. You click on the link to activate your account. Then you click on the login to enter the email and password. What you did to make it appear on the main page of the account is not useful for me to go to the surveys before I write my data and complete my account. This is an important point because many people will not pay attention to it. Guys, start writing your data and your file, which is not what gender is, for example, whether it is male or female. The date of the manat, check it. The postal number of the nearest post office right here. Username and after. That you will step on a sword. Very excellent profile, guys. Once I filled out the data in the personal account, I went back to the polls and offers. He opened the polls with me and opened the offers. Come on. Guys, these polls are an opinion poll for 95 cents. With about $1, this is an opinion poll for 40 cents. This is an opinion poll for 80 cents, for 60 cents, for 3 cents. There are other polls from companies below. You have AdGate Media, BitLabs, and CBXD, a strong opinion polling company. Microjobs and Trample on Find Jobs. Sweet, strong focus. Stay with me so that he gets you. The jobs for beginners. Don't be in a rush. Don't go to the tasks that cost $5 and $6, as you see in tasks that cost 2 cents, 3 cents, and 5 cents. 1 cent, 80 cents, and 1, and focus with me so that we can go to the missions that we want today. The 10 missions are for 30 cents, meaning approximately the 30 missions are for $1. So, what are these missions, Abu Malak? The missions take a lot of time. No, the missions do not take a lot of time. The mission, it will not take you more than 2 minutes, exactly 2. In 35 minutes, you'll earn 3 cents for the mission. Let's do it together. I'll help with missions 1, 2, and 3. Stepping on a sword took me to the mission. Stay focused. We'll finish it. 2, 3 with you to maintain your balance. Here you'll see your task takes time. Of course, it'll take more time since I am explaining. But if you are doing it from a computer or mobile phone, the topic will be easy for you. Okay, let us go down to this, guys. The first one tells me to open the incognito browser. So, make sure first that you should open the incognito browser. Open the link in incognito mode. Me. Click on the link like this. So I opened the incognito browser and opened the link. The second step, what? We took the link. The third step. Click on the word read more in the link is joking. Until the bottom of the word read more, and choose the site that has these letters. Go to the site. Guys, that has the letters that he is talking about. Click on the first search result. Okay, so I did the third step. After that, visit the pages from the first page to the 10th page, or the article from the first article to the 10th article. Relax and click on next, which is still located at the bottom of the page. Then go to the site. When it opens with me, I start stepping on the first article, which is this article, guys. He asked me to go down to the bottom one by one, and at ease, I step on Nest. So I will go on Nest for as long as I can until I reach the 10th article. Until I reach the 10th article, I will find a code in it. Then I will continue to click like this on the bottom. Guys, I will go down like this. I will go like this on Next. Keep in mind, this is the return, but this is a very excellent Next. Guys, I will go down like this and continue and click. On Next for the 4th, you will continue to step on the Next until you go to the 6 or go to number 10. We are like this in the 5. We step like this. You set back for the 6. Try to get down. Relax, I'm going down quickly because I want to explain the video to you quickly and the method quickly. Also keep in mind that my task might be delayed. If I did it quickly, you do it. Download one by one. Step on the bus. Keep in mind where the word next went so he doesn't think you're stepping here quickly. Reach the next page, but you must know. I follow your footsteps and go to the next page. I read slowly on the 7th page and continue downwards. I reach the 8th page and proceed downwards. One step at a time, and I step on next to the 9th page. We go down, one by one, all at ease. Turn to the 10th page. Next, very excellent. We will go down to the end. We will find the time that he told me to wait until the code appears for you. I will wait here until the code appears. I will wait for the next second camera and take the code and start doing the proof that he says about it, and I will tell you how to send. He has the proofs. After I work, I will show you too. How's my job and my account working? Okay, I'll show the code. Guys, I'll start from the beginning here. I'll take it like this. Copy and return to the job. I'll go to the bottom of the job. He asked for 3 or 4 proofs. I will write here in the 4th proof, the code, because this is the proof for the code. Write to me the code. And the code is first with an S, and in the text of it is N. And at the end of it, that is indeed, it is the beginning of S. And in the half of it is AN, and at the end of it, that is, so I got the correct code. Okay, the first proof tells me to give me the link to the about page or the contact page that is present in step 6. So what are the steps? You say, let's go to this and see the next step. The next step tells me to do the steps in this link. Open this link and see what the steps are. Follow the steps, guys. It tells me to click on the advertising banner on the site. After that, I give him the link for the advertising company or the advertisement page that was opened. And after that, I start going between 2 and 3 pages inside the site and get the link to the contact page. If you don't understand, focus with me and I will tell you what to do with his site. Guys, I opened his site as you can see, and he asked me to get a link, an advertisement banner. I will open the main page of his site so that an advertisement appears for me. Guys, the advertisements appeared on the site. I never step on the advertisement on his site. It looks very simple, very excellent. The advertisement page opened with me. I will take the link to the page that opened with me after I clicked on the advertisement and return to its site. Or go back to the proof, go down to the bottom and put the URL of the landing page. The landing page is the page that opened directly with us when we clicked on the ad. So I got the code and also gave him a link to the landing page. Okay, what else did he ask me to do? He asked me for a link to page 10 of his site. The page we arrived at is the last one that has the code. This is this, guys. This is page number 10, which makes me say that. It tells me here, click here to go back to number 9. Then I am currently on page 10, from which I got the code. I will take the link to it and go back to the proof and put the link, page number 10. After that, I have a link to the contact or about page, which is on the advertisement site that we clicked on. So I go back to the advertisement site. It tells me to browse the site for a minute or 2, and I click on such a link within the site. If you have browsed the site, after that, give it a link to the about page. Then I will stay inside the site like this for 2 or 3 minutes. And after that, I will give him a link to the about or contact page, which is this. Guys, open. The page is shown and linked to the contact page before returning to the site. I'll post a link here. The about or contact page as he asked me to provide proof. The first is the contact page from the advertisement's website, not from his website. It is the link to the 10th page of his website. It is the URL link of the advertisement that we clicked on. The main page, which is the landing page, and the code that was requested from me, which is on page number 10. He clicked on the link to prove the task. Very excellent. You have completed the first task successfully. We return to the page like this. I have no assignments under review. All the assignments, guys, have been accepted, and some of them are rejected. I'm rejecting them. I am rejecting them. I have 4 assignments and I actually did them incorrectly. 1 a week ago, and there are also 2 or 3. God, 1 in a week and 2 in 3 days. But I have a lot of tasks that I agree on, as you guys see. Simple tasks that we did together in less than a minute. The one task you do, and now I can withdraw this because the seconds here became 0, meaning the first was 90 when you agreed to. The tasks have become 0. Of course, if you create a new account, you will find that you have 180 seconds. You are required to do 18 tasks so that these seconds remain 0 and you can withdraw your profits. Okay, guys, how do I withdraw profits? Through the wallet box. After that, click on request and scroll to me. Here are 3 ways to withdraw profits. I have an RTM Bank and this is like Payeer, but it is not Payeer. You create an account on RTM Bank. Search this on YouTube for how to create an RTM account. You also have Litecoin, which are digital currencies. You can withdraw on Binance on any account. A wallet in it, Litecoin currency. You fear for the currency and click on deposit and take the address of the wallet for this currency and start making a deposit to it. Even if you have an account on FastPay, you can withdraw on Pay, on Binance, on Paybit, on KuCoin. Any wallet that has Litecoin, you can withdraw to it, will get the address, the wallet, and you withdraw from it. How do you withdraw? Master Litecoin trading, find profit opportunities, and manage withdrawals with ease. Withdrawal commission of $1.17. This is the commission for withdrawal because these are digital currencies and what you will pay is $5 for 527. Okay, why? Because there is a price difference. Since this is a digital currency and not a dollar, its price remains 15. The minimum withdrawal amount is $5. Would you like to withdraw that? Alternatively, you can withdraw the entirety of your balance. That, I choose crypto. I went and started putting the wallet number in this way and clicking on the word token bond. This means that it will send me a code to the email that I use for my account on the website. Let it be, for example, this code and then I click on the withdrawal request and the amount arrives within 10 working days.